Double-wide re-roofing can totally change the game for your home's protection and value, but you gotta know how to do it right to avoid a total headache. So, first up, always check the roof's current condition before you start anything. Like, you don't want to slap new shingles over a messed up deck because that just invites leaks later. Next, pick roofing materials that fit your climate. If you're somewhere rainy or snowy, go for tough, waterproof options. Make sure you measure the roof carefully so you buy enough stuff without wasting cash. Don't forget to clear off any old debris or loose nails before putting on the new roof. A clean surface means better results. Ventilation matters big time, so keep those attic vents open to avoid heat buildup that wrecks your roof. When you're nailing down shingles, use the right nails and space them correctly to keep everything secure during storms. Consider hiring a pro for tricky spots like chimneys or valleys. Those areas are where leaks usually pop up. Lastly, keep up with roof maintenance after the job is done. Check for damage after heavy weather and clean gutters regularly. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with double-wide re-roofing is not inspecting their roof thoroughly before starting. This leads to hidden damage that ruins the new work. Fix that by doing a detailed check or hiring someone to assess it first. Another common slip-up is picking cheap roofing materials that don't last, which ends up costing more in repairs down the road. Investing in quality shingles or metal roofing saves money over time. Also, many people forget about proper ventilation, causing heat and moisture to build up under the roof and damage it faster. Make sure your attic vents are clear and enough to keep air flowing. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding skilled local contractors for jobs like double-wide re-roofing way easier, so you don't have to stress about who to trust. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.